I'm Alan Rapp with Wired Design at the 24th International Contemporary Furniture Fair in New York. This year, more than 500 exhibitors from global manufacturers to small studios making their debut are converging to present their visions for contemporary design. We're in the booth of Virginia Tech School of Architecture and Design, who are developing a House of the Future prototype with interior modular wall systems and a variety of projects that are representing new kinds of dynamic skins and building facades. The panels back here are from a previous solar decathlon winning project, and these are all angled so that depending on whether you're in winter or summer months, you've got more light coming in or less. An on-site weather station is going to send data to these control systems, and that's what's going to make for real optimization. Cross-ventilation, privacy control, insulation, and heat retention are all combined with this data system. So the House of the Future actually is going to have robots, but they're not going to be like servants. They're going to be more integrated into the structures and the skin of the building itself. The forms and the projects in your booth really caught my eye. What are we looking at here?
So what you're looking at is our lighting collection, which is all one-of-a-kind generative 3D printed lamps. So what our company, Nervous System, does is we really write software that's based on scientific research of how different types of patterns form in nature. And then we use that to create one-of-a-kind designs. So 3D printing lets us make every piece unique. Since it's not molded, we can take advantage of the generative techniques and programming to create complex geometry that you couldn't make otherwise.
In the future, we're going to see a lot more of these intersections between engineering, computing, rapid prototyping, and design. Universal Kinetic Ink has developed this modular system, which at first glance looks like a mechanical futon, but is really a lot more sophisticated than that. Their research is looking into the way that our demographic is going to be aging and want to be aging more on-site, at home. So this is a system which can have you upright, also extend as a bed, but some of the more sophisticated notions are here in the control systems. This haptic system, this grip, this smart grip, it responds to the force of your squeeze. This grip system is going to be able to control the atmospherics as well as the television itself, eventually the whole mechanics of the bed. So this environment is a pavilion made entirely out of paper. A 12-foot high pavilion made of paper fans by Molo Designs. Good for exhibition halls, but also interior systems, partitions, this table. The stools that I'm sitting on are good for up to 60 pounds per 12 linear inches. So as we're looking for more sanctuaries in the urban environment, we have this material that gives off this very calming effect, and you can create an entirely soothing experience from. These were a few glimpses from the 2012 ICFF. This just might be what the House of the Future looks like.